So guys, we have to take note of this. Please. Now, if you are dealing with subtraction, if you are dealing with subtraction of number base, please take note of these operations. 1 minus 0, normally 1 minus 0 is 1. In base 2, subtraction of numbers of base 2 numbers, or numbers in base 2. 1 minus 0 in numbers in base 2 is 1. Normally it is 1. I'm allowed to write 1 because it's less than the base. Correct. What if I say 10 minus 1? 10 minus 1 this time around, um 10 minus 1 should be 9. Now, can I write, is it allowed, am I allowed to write 9? No, it's more than the base, so it's not allowed. That means you do 9 minus the base, which will give us 7. Can I write 7 here? No. Go ahead again. The result I have here minus 2, that will give me 5. Can I write 5? No. Go ahead. 5 minus 2, that's 3. Can I write 3? No. It's still greater than the base. 3 again minus 2. Just subtract the base. Keep on subtracting the base. 3 minus 2, that's 1. Can I write 1? Yes, it's allowed. So according to the, okay, I've not sent, you can try to check one picture I sent yesterday. This thing is there. Subtraction, addition and subtraction. Go and check that picture. That image. This thing is there. 10 minus 1 is 1. So I've explained why it is 1. So another one is 11 minus 1. 11 minus 1, normally that should give you 10. So I'm allowed to write 10. I mean now 1 0. It's not allowed. 1. You call it digit by digit. Not, this is still, this digit you are seeing here is less than 2. It's in base 2. So it's not that we pronounce it as 10, but it's not 10. It's not 10, it's 1 0. So do you understand that? So let me just give an example, a very clear example about this. Suppose we have, okay, I don't have any example. Did I have any example here? Yes, I think I've seen one. 1 1 0 minus 1 1. This one is very, nobody will give you this. Possibly they can easily give you this because they don't know you guys are not really familiar with this. So they can give you questions like this. And you must take note of the concept. This is the concept here. Even though you forget about the concept, you can easily call from here. So 0 minus 1, I forgot, okay, this 1 minus 0, that is 1. But 0 minus 1, that's impossible. You should know what to do in subtraction. When you have 0 minus 1, that's impossible. You go and borrow. So here in this case also, what's 0 minus 1? 0 minus 1 is impossible. I'll come here and borrow. This one becomes 0, this one becomes 10. So what's 10 minus 1? When you know this one offhand, you should know that 10 minus 1 is 1. So, and I've actually explained 10 minus 1 is 9, then 9 minus 2, then like that, you end up getting 1. So 10 minus 1 is 1. Here again, I have 0 minus 1, which is impossible. Come here and borrow. This one becomes 10. 10 minus 1, I have 1. So this is the final answer. See, if you understand the concept, this key, you'll be able to solve it. But this one is still simple. Let's add more question. Suppose we have 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. Let's subtract. Now 0 minus 1 is impossible. I can't borrow from here, but I can borrow from here. This becomes 10, but I'll still borrow. This becomes 9, and this becomes 10. I hope you are familiar with that. So 10 minus 1, that is 1. Then 9 minus 0, that's the problem we have now. So 9 minus 0 is not part of our operation. The operation I gave you, the shortcut or the keys that I give you, is not there. 9 minus 0 is not there. So you must remember this thing all the time. That's why it is very, very useful. 9 minus 0 is 9. This thing is in base 2, and I'm not allowed to write 9. It's not possible. It must be less than the base. So since you can't write 9, just create a jotter for yourself. Okay, the result here is 9. I can't write 9. Remove it from the base given to you. 9 minus 2. That will give you what? 7. Can I write 7? No. So you continue. The same thing is just like what I have here. So I will end up having 1 because 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So I end up having 1. So 1 will be your correct answer here. So you go ahead again. What's 0 minus this one? Impossible. Borrow from here. This one becomes 10. Now 10 minus 1. That is 1. So this gives the correct answer. Let's just quickly verify. Please, I want you to understand the concept. I don't want you to, at least if you can cover like 10 topics before the exam starts, at least you'll be able to do something. Thank God it's just 15 questions, and I'm very sure they will pick it randomly. So at least if you see any question on number base, you must be able to tackle it, no matter how hard or how simple it is. So please, if you have any question to ask, go ahead and ask. So now look at this. I want to confirm. I want to use the calculator. That's binary base. I want to confirm binary. So let's try this. 1 1 0 0 minus 1 0 1. So let's confirm whether this answer is correct. Let's check. So equal to Very, very correct. 111. This is correct. Another one. What if we have 110 minus, sorry, 110 minus 11? This example we have here, the result gives 11. We are still correct. So it works for any question given to you. It works. So please, guys, try this as your classwork now. Try this. 101010 minus 1001. Is this possible to be? I'm not sure that this is possible. Let me just try it out. I don't want to form any other question myself. Minus, let's use calculator to confirm. It has an answer, so go ahead and solve this for me. So I'm waiting.